In this video, I will show you how to use Voucher on Opay. So let's jump straight into it. So because I'm in the UK, unfortunately I don't have access to the app to show you the physical steps. However, I have gathered the necessary steps and compiled them into an article. So what I'm going to do is talk you through how to use a voucher on Opay. So to go ahead and use a voucher on Opay, what you're going to want to do first is, of course, make sure you have a voucher code which you can redeem on Opay. Now these vouchers can often be obtained through promotions, deals or purchases from participating vendors. Once you have your voucher, if you haven't already, download and install the Opay mobile app from the Google Play Store, or if you're on an iPhone, it's going to be the Apple App Store. If you're a new user, sign up for an Opay account. However, if you do already have an account, make sure to log in with your details. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section within the app where you can redeem vouchers. This is normally labelled as vouchers, redeem or something similar. Look for any options related to voucher redemption. In the designated field, what you now need to do is enter the voucher code exactly as it appears. Make sure there are no spaces before or after the code and that you haven't mistyped any characters. After entering the code, there should be an option to redeem the voucher. Click or tap on this option to initiate the redemption process. And once the voucher is successfully redeemed, you should receive a confirmation message or notification within the app. This may include details about the value of the voucher and any associated benefits. Now, depending on the type of voucher, the balance may now be available for use within the Opay app. You can typically use this balance for various services supported by Opay, such things like mobile recharge, bill payments, purchasing goods, or sending money to others. If you do encounter any issues during the redemption process, such as an invalid code or even difficulty finding the voucher redemption section, you may need to contact Opay customer support for assistance. They should be able to help you troubleshoot any problems and ensure that you can successfully redeem your voucher. So that is how to use Voucher on Opay. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.